Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you, how to add or remove fingerprint on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphones.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
This video will show, how to protect your Xiaomi device by using fingerprint screen lock protection. First, open the Settings application. Scroll down. Then tap on Passwords and Security. Now tap the second option, Fingerprint Unlock. Before setting fingerprint, you need to set a screen lock first. If you don't have already, you can choose pattern, PIN, or password. Select any of this. A confirmation menu will pop up. Tap on Got it. Now draw an unlock pattern. Draw the pattern again to confirm. After that, tap on Confirm. Now you have to place your finger on the sensor. This is the sensor. Now put your finger on the sensor, and lift after you feel a vibration. Continue this process, until this whole area turns into blue color. Now move your finger, so the sensor could record the edges of your fingerprint. Move your finger slightly and put it on the sensor again, to add all the different parts of your fingerprint. The fingerprint is added successfully. You can rename the fingerprint if you want. After that, tap on Done. You can add more fingerprint from here, if you want. You can apply this fingerprint for privacy password. You can also apply this fingerprint for app lock. You can also apply this fingerprint for fingerprint payments. Now lock the screen and check, the fingerprint is working or not. Try again. The fingerprint is working perfectly. If you want to delete the fingerprint, tap on your fingerprint name. At the bottom, you will find Remove Fingerprint. Tap on it. From the confirmation menu, tap on OK. The fingerprint has been deleted. So in this way, you can add or remove fingerprint on Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphones. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.